Alright guys, welcome back to Deep South Bayou Diesel. It's a night video. The reason why is because I just installed puddle lights on my mirror. Now, do this at your own discretion, or do this at your own will, because I ended up breaking my convex mirror. I'm going to look and see if I can replace this, because everything still works like it should. It's just I broke this mirror and it's somewhere around here. But anyway, if I can't replace this, I'll just replace the whole mirror. I was watching a guy's YouTube video on how to separate these mirrors. These mirrors are all made differently. He was saying to pop this off and pop that off and all that, but really in reality I had to just undo a couple screws. There's one here, one here, one here, and then back here there's one there and one right up in this area. And then what that does is it allows this whole back to pop off. So it really just depends on who made the mirror. I mean, they're not all made the same. I have noticed that. But anyway, like I said, I installed the puddle light. It is right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this back door. That way you guys can see what the what it looks like. So basically any door that you open, it'll allow it to come on, which I think is pretty cool. But there it is. So let me kind of back up. I have it turned this way because it makes the most sense to me. I mean, you know, with it turned the other way, you know, having the F350 go from like the F right here and then go that way, that just doesn't seem, it's not that cool. But let me turn the torch off, or my flashlight. There we go. So you got my, you got the dome light, you've got the wheel well lights, and then you got this bad boy right here. I mean, that just absolutely looks amazing. Let me go ahead and close this back door. There we go. So yeah, like I said, that's pretty cool. I haven't installed the other one. I'm gonna install it tomorrow, see how it turns out. I'm gonna be a little more careful about taking off the back of that other mirror. But like I said, at least the wiring will be there, and then when I get the new mirror, I can just tap into the wiring that's already there. But yeah, like I said, that came out pretty nice. This isn't going to be that long drawn out of a video. I don't have any rants to make today. I just wanted to show you guys that really cool install I just did. And be careful when you install these. Like I said, it's installed right here. So behind here, I forgot this is covering here, but really this is the only place you can put it, because if you try to put it like here or anywhere in that general area, you're going to have so much molding in your way. So really the only empty part of empty cavity is just right here in this corner. And if I'm not mistaken, nope, see, this is my wife's SUV, and the puddle light, this is factory, but on these Expeditions they're dead center. But that's because back here it's just an empty cavity. There's nothing special or whatnot. But let's take one more look at that. Let me turn the flashlight back off. I'm going to open the front door. So, you know, when you have the door wide the heck open, this is kind of what a person sees. You know, the F is kind of going onto the tire. But, I mean, and yeah, that's the super bright courtesy lights that I installed. I would have installed just the regular ones, but living back here where light is pretty much essential, I went ahead and went with the super bright LED ones. If you already have, this is the XL model, but if you have the XLT, really all you have to do is just swap your lights out. Like where the bulb goes into these, ow, I stepped on a rock. Anyway, where the bulb goes into these, all you have to do is take your bulb out, buy these, and then just, it's plug and play. But anyway, enough of my rambling on and on. I just wanted to show you guys how cool this is. As always, guys, thanks for watching. More to come. Later, Gators.